Mic check. Right. Ayan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Kung saan araw-araw, let's talk about the stock market, your stock market journey. If ever baguhan pa lang kayo sa stock market and you need someone to talk to or consult and confide with sa mga trades ninyo or mga plano ninyo, this is the best program for you. We talk about that and para po ito sa mga newbies. For sure, konti lang manonood sa atin ngayon because ongoing din po ang Crypto 102 natin na lessons ngayon sa mga interest, and there were so many people interested to join the Crypto 102, so understandable if ever konti lang manonood ngayon. But please share the video, pakishare pa rin itong video na ito so that mga newbies sa mga groups niyo, if you have any trading groups, share this video to them para po malaman ng mga newbies that there's a program like this that can guide them in their stock market journey araw-araw. As long as there's a market and it's for free, right? Libre lang po ang daily grind natin. So gabayan natin yung mga newbies dyan para hindi naman sila maligaw at hindi tumigil stock market. Yun yung problema kasi dati. Stock market is kind of complicated if wala kang gabay and then you venture in it on your own. Pag natalo, mawawalan ka ng gana for sure and then quit. Right? So that's the purpose of this program. Keep everyone in and as much as possible, keep everyone profitable di ba? So far so good. Marami na akong kilalang profitable sa stock market na andito and they're still even watching. Yung mga positions nila ngayon are already going green even if the market is red. Speaking of the market being red, ayan po, another red day for Philippine Stock Exchange. But the good thing is yung net foreign selling natin hindi na kasing laki yesterday. Yesterday, net foreign selling was around 5 billion pesos. Right now, it's at negative 856 million. Malaki pa rin, but again, we were expecting that, no? We were expecting the pullback already, right? From afar, right? The first two rallies talaga na malakas were very good. Look at that. Went up above Bollinger Bands. Pero yung mga lately, yung mga tops natin is already playing inside the Bollinger Bands. And look at RSI of our market. Sobrang lakas kasi ng akyat na ito. So, for sure, market is gonna be resting for a bit before it will start its it will go back to its real trend line. Maybe this MA20, maybe. I can't really say for sure. Since country still in shambles pa rin. We're still not out of COVID. We're still not out of the woods yet. So, medyo nahihirapan pa rin ang country natin. Businesses are still not that strong compared before. Kahit punta kayo sa mall, it's not as strong compared before. But so far, yung recovery andyan naman. So, yun, because of that, me personally, I'm not really expecting the market to really go up go high, bullish compared to how it was before. But at the very least, we're already on an uptrend at the very least, diba? So let's go to your comments really quick. All right, here we go. And let's go to comments. Ayan, konti lang nanonood sa atin ngayon kasi andun sa Crypto 102. Sa mga hindi pa naka-join kasi sa Crypto 102 noon, nagjo-join sa Crypto 102 ngayon. So okay lang. Today's update lang naman tayo. It's Friday. We should be relaxing. Update lang tayo ng konti sa market. Update lang tayo ng konti sa mga trades natin. So, yan. Kamusta? Ishi Marimat, magandang gabi. Rowena Villa, may gabi. Romelyn Bonayos, good evening din. Albert Alvarez, magandang gabi. Laura Napa, Gigi Mijares. Sir Lloyd, pakicheck po ang IRC and Web. Okay, ito si Web. We checked out Web before. And sinabi natin na buy na to. And it's already started to rally after the breakout. We talked about Web by the breakout. It's doing a pullback right now. So anytime soon, mag-green yan. That's gonna be your entry point for Web. Good find right there, Romelyn. We've been following this for quite a while already. Si IRC naman, napupullback si IRC. Would be wise to wait for it at around this level right here or the MA20. Pero yeah, definitely starting to rally already si IRC naman. Alright, let's move forward. Gigi Mijares, check po si APX. Alright, let's check out APX. O nga pala, international market update tayo. trades natin. We're still doing well for June. If ever hindi pa kayo nagko-copy trade sa akin, there is a way here in the stock market na if ever nagsisimula ka pa lang, you don't know what you're doing, we recommend na wag muna kayo mag-trade, right? Mag-aral muna kayo mag-trade. Pero, yun yung pero kung mag-aaral muna ako mag-trade, sayang yung opportunity na nasa market ngayon at kikita ko, right? That's a very good concern. Definitely true. Yun yung concern namin noon. Especially nung hindi pa namin alam copy trading. But now there is a way for you to study and learn how to trade while not missing out on the market, on the opportunity of the market through copy trading or bot trading. So copy trading, ito po, if ever wala pa kayong eToro account, create an eToro account. Andyan po sa video description yung link for you to create an eToro account, right? Gamitin niyo po yung link na yan. And then you can copy trade me should you want to. Alright? We are already, magkano na ba yung performance natin for, we're already up 3.88 for June. 17.28 performance po natin for 2021 already. Definitely hitting our goals right here. So if ever you want, gusto niyo po ang conservative na fund manager, you can copy me through copy trading. Right? So, update lang tayo sa international market. Looking okay naman. Yung Nasdaq 100, the market that I've been trading, na-pullback siya kagabi, but definitely reached all-time high. Sabi ko sa inyo, bullish na to noon pa dito. That's why I'm trading in Nasdaq 100. Ito yung sinusundan ko. And it closed above Bollinger Bands before the pullback. So, it's still bullish and I will say it's still bullish. Still, Apple natin na position is already going up. There you go. Congratulations sa mga pumasok ka Apple. Sabi ko sa inyo, pasukin na to sa support na ito or the breakout right here. If you're a conservative type, you should be earning already. Our Apple position is already up and we're already earning in it. So congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Apple when we told you to get in. Anyways, APX, ito, Apex Mining, mukhang downtrend pa. We're seeing lower highs and lower lows at this point. Iwasan lang muna natin si APX. Right, SECB from Duke Lamberte. Let's check out SECB. Right, SECB, man. Showing us bearish signals at this point. I will say bearish because hindi naman sa super bearish. It's just this is a descending triangle. The highs are going lower. So yeah, that's a bearish pattern right there. If you want to trade this one, let it break out. Pero I think magpapahinga pa to with the market. But if it does break out, then let it break out. Yun po yung entry point ninyo for SECB. Good find still. Alfredo Quisto, good evening. Adrian Villanueva, magandang gabi. Aba, sir, from Ace Ostero. Aba Core. Yan. Si Aba Core, may 20 bounce, man. I don't know what else you're looking for, but that is definitely a buy for me. Use MA 20 as your support for Aba. Laura Axelum po. Let's check out Axelum. We talked about Axelum before. Buy the support pag na-green. It's been green for how many days already? I would say it's still a buy for me. If you're a conservative one, we have a resistance right here. Pag mag-breakout yan on Monday, that's gonna be your entry point. Pero ang ganda ng support, man. If you can get in the support, mas maganda. Right? That's for ABA. That's for Axelum right here. Gandang gabi from Arnal Sinto. Gandang gabi. June Coral. Right. Tama ba yung pagbasa ko? Hindi ko kasi binabasa pag binabaliktad niyo yung pangalan niyo eh. Right? Gusto ko kasi pag binabaliktad niyo yung pangalan niyo, gusto kong basahin pa rin sa tama. Right? Pero hindi ko alam kung Coral ba talaga o Lariok. Right? Karamihan sa mga tao na nagbabaliktad ng pangalan sa Facebook, may mga sinaktan. Baka may sinaktan kayo tas ayaw na kayo mahanap. Or yung iba nga may utang na ayaw na mahanap eh. Pero doon lang tayo sa may mga sinaktan dyan. Wala kayo. Ayusin kasi pangalan nyo. Bakit nyo pa binabaliktad? Good evening, June Coral nga pala. Sir from June Coral. Ayan, June Coral. Sinabi niya pala yung totoong pangalan niya. Jaya, Netflix, and PG, Procter & Gamble. Netflix. Magkatabi lang tayo, tapos chinachat mo pa. Netflix Incorporated. Alright, Netflix Incorporated going sideways right now. Resistance, massive resistance is right here at 507. Best entry will be 480, but so far hindi pa natin alam saan to papunta. So if you wanna buy Netflix, let it break out or get in the support right here. So far so good. Can't really say if this is bullish or bearish. Yun nga, sideways ang trend. Sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. There it is. Buy the support or breakout, but with the run of Nasdaq 100 right now, mukhang okay naman ang takbo na Nasdaq 100, NSDQ 100, which is the index where Netflix is. It's bullish right here, so I would say there's a very high chance it will still go up. So let it break out or on the support lang muna. PG, Procter & Gamble. Uy, dumaming viewers natin Ay, PG. Definitely showing bearish signals right now. So, baka mag-break, but the support was nag-hold yung support If you haven't traded this yet, I would say let it break out because that will what do you call this? That will basically make this bearish pattern null or nullified. Right? So let it break out from that resistance. Yun yung buy natin. So far, medyo bearish yung pinapakita ni Procter & Gamble. Right? So P&G and GFC naman, sir, thanks. Let's check out Jollibee from Paulo David. It's been on a massive rally the past couple of days. Now, it's doing a pullback and nag-stabilize na sa may MA20 niya. Bakit ang bagal ng chart ko pag si GFC? Right? Mukhang mag-green na to let it green and that's gonna be your entry point for GFC. Okay? Jason Ignacio, Sir Lloyd, Mac and MY. Let's check out Macro Asia. Problema ko kay Macro Asia is it's already way up there. Yes, nag-bounce siya kanina, but it's already playing on overbought RSI levels. This is not a buy already for me. We've been talking about Mac. Sinabi ko sa inyo kay Mac noon pa. Dito, bodegahin nyo na. And then, umakyat na si Mac on the breakout. Sinabi ko, pasukin nyo pa. Pwede pa. Pero ngayon, andyan na. Kahit na may bounce yan, it's already way up there for me. I don't want to recommend Macro Asia anymore. Dapat nga, nagbebenta na kayo like the foreign investors na nagbenta na. Eto, mas maganda. M-wide, mukhang okay pa naman. The trend is holding. May bounce na tayo. So, yeah. For M-wide, test the trend line. Right? That bounce right there should be good. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na aakyat na yan. It's just that it's respecting its trend line right now, so there's a high chance that it will go up. Or you can use the MA20 as your support, get in your MA20 for your entry, and then cut loss below that if ever. Pero overall, napakamura pa ni MY. Pwede nyo pa bodegahin yan actually. Okay. Please check po NIO, sir. Let's check out NIO. NIO Incorporated. Ayan. Nakita nyo to, naglalaro na sa loob ng Bollinger Bands. It's showing us bearish signals already. NIO is way up there already. We've been talking about NIO dito pa lang noon pa sa support. Sabi ko sa inyo, pasukin nyo na to. Ngayon, napakataas na ni NIO. Huwag nyo na pong hahabulin yan dyan, please. We don't have any position right now. It's just showing us bearish signals. We are reaching high RSI levels. So, stay out. Stay away. Watching from Dubai, sir. Good evening, Erwin Bautista. Kamusta sa inyo dyan? Sir MRC from Lagmandong. MRC. Right, MRC. Trend lines right here. Alright? Resistance, somehow showing resistance right there. Siguro pag nag-breakout na lang to. Right, this resistance has been checked for quite a while. For a lot of times already. So, 3 beses po yung resistance na yan. It's been testing and then it's failing during the resistance. So, let it break out na lang muna. Mukhang mag-breakout pa naman to. So, breakout's gonna be the best entry for MRC. Alright. Hi, sir. Good evening. With Gcash going IPO, what do you think po? I like the Gcash IPO. But then again, I am against IPO. I don't like IPOs right now because it's not the right market yet. Hindi pa naman tayo gaanong bullish, but Gcash, yung Gcash, yung company nag-handle ng Globe, ano nga bang pangalan ng company na yun? It's good, right? you can see people, right, Filipinos really using GCash. So I like that, right? So it has a good future. I would say buy some in the IPO and then go, if it goes down after IPO day, then you just buy some more, right? Ganun lang gawin nyo. Wag nyo yung all in during the IPO, right? Sir Lloyd, pa-check Fest, thanks, right? From Yvonne Pavia. PHES, right? Okay naman na. Problema ko kay Fest is mataas na to. But nonetheless, technical analysis, that's support right there. Good climb earlier. I would say this is already good for Fez. BSC, sir, from June Coral. Right, June. Let's check out BSC. Ayan. Good bounce. Pull back and bounce. That's a buy, man. That's a buy. Definitely. MA20 bounce. Tignan nyo sa nag-bounce kanina, MA20. I've been teaching you about MA20 for quite a while already. Sana sinusunod nyo yun. And if you were aggressive enough kanina, nakuha nyo to on the bounce itself. But it's not, hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. This is already a buy for me. Good find right here, June. Nga pala. Yung bot trading, we've been doing well for last week. This week, the trades are doing well also. Sayang naman if hindi nyo, what do you call this? Hindi ninyo ma-take advantage yun ng performance ng bot. Sobrang ganda ng performance po. I don't know if the people are trading using the trend follower bot are here watching. Baka hindi na nila kailangan. Pero yeah, hopefully nasubukan nyo. Let people know. Let the people know how good our bot trading is, yung trend follower natin. There's still available slots. Take advantage of XM's promo for this month. Ngayong buwan lang yan. It's XM's promo is double your investment. Meaning, kung maglalagay ka ng $100, dodoblehin ni XM up to $500. So if you put in $500, $500 din ang ibibigay nila so that you can have an exposure of 100k. Sayang po yun. That's already gain in itself. Times 2 agad yung pera ninyo. Diba? If you don't take advantage of it, sayang naman. And then, go for the bot. Libre lang yung bot natin, yung trend follower bot. It's for free. Ang kailangan nyo lang bayaran is the VPS. You need a server. You need a computer that will run for you 24/5 so that the bot can run. So, yun lang babayaran nyo, which is just 500 pesos a month for that. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-on ng PC ng 24/5 for trading. Hindi nyo na kailangan gumising habang nag-trade, right? Let the bot trade for you. Take advantage of it. Andyan po sa video description yung registration ng bot. Hopefully, mag-join kayo since andyan yung promo ni XM. Sayang. It's already gains, man. Everyone's looking for 100% gains. Yung promo lang alone is already 100% gains for you. Jojo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Singapore, Jojo. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan sa Singapore and happy weekend sa lahat. Pa-check po ang Fest. We covered Fest already. Joe Castillo, Meg, and LTG. Mega World. Mukhang magda-drop si Mega World, right? Supports right here. Actually, MA20 pwede nyo gamitin. Pero hindi kasi gaanong kalakasan yung rally ni Mega World eh. Let's see saan to pupulutin. Actually, overall, Meg is still very cheap. Kung saan to magbabounce, pasukin nyo to. Right? I would say yes, get in that company. LTG. Lucio Tan Group. Mukhang bearish. Right? There's a support right here though, pero ang laki ng drop kanina si Lucio Tan. Sakit ng ulo ni Lucio Tan ngayon sa Philippine Airlines. Pero anyways, tingnan natin sa support if it will respect the support. If it bounces right there, strict trading right there. If ever mag-fail man siya, you can cut loss. Pero that's good trade right there. Maganda yung support niya. Look at this RSI right here. Much healthier in support compared to the previous bottoms right here. So yeah, strict trade right there. SecB, we covered SecB already. May slot po ba sa trend follower? Yes po, meron po. Actually, we opened more slots since marami ang nag-join sa trend follower. We're still gonna be opening slots. And then, yun. VPS na lang ang kulang for you. So, andyan po sa video description yung registration. Register now. Huwag niyo po sasayangin. Sir, may slot. Yan, nabasa natin to. SecB. We covered SecB already. Let it break out from this descending triangle pattern right there. Ayan. So, let me go to YouTube. May manonood rin kasi sa atin through YouTube. Alam ko, konti lang ngayon because StockSed has Crypto 102. So, we're not gonna be, hindi naman mahaba yung episode natin ngayon. Yan sa Vlog 3. Hello, Sir Lord. Good evening po. My H and FTV, good evening din. Arvin Saroka, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Will MBT recover? Nawalan po siya ng momentum for next 1 to 2 months. Actually, sobrang lakas kasi ng MBT noon right? This rally right here, hindi na siya nawalan talaga ng momentum. There's a big support right here. I think nagda-drop na siya sa MA20. Look at that. It's playing inside Bollinger Band. So, wala na siyang gaanong momentum talaga. Tignan natin saan ito pupulutin. Tignan natin ulit sa support if ever we can start getting into MBT ulit. Erickson Velasco, good evening. Clark, BSC po. Sir, we covered BSC already, I believe so. Let's just check it out again. That's a buy for me for BSC. Definitely a buy right there. Alright, so yan, Trisha Vargas saying thank you, you're welcome po. Sebastian Arcega, MM and Ani po. Mary Mart. Let's check out the Mary Mart. Alright, may slots pa tayo sa trend follower, yes. So, take advantage of it. MM's showing us lower highs and lower lows so far. So, bearish yung pinapakita niya after this rally right here. Tingnan natin ulit sa support. We called out MM na pwede siyang pasukin dito. Let's see what will happen at the support levels if ever it will give us an opportunity to buy it again for MM. Si Ani, I would say still a buy. Support is still holding. RSI still looking up and overall Ani is very, very cheap. At this point, we are at pandemic levels. If I can say, bodegahin nyo to si Ani. Hindi ba siya maakyat? No, but it's not about guessing where the bottom is. It's about being there. And look at RSI. It's already starting to go up at this level when Ani is... Basta nakita nyo naman yung volume ni Ani before the volume is flat, but binobodega na siya right there. So, volume is already spiking up. Kailan pa kayo papasok if ever lumipad na. If ever gusto niyo po conservative approach right here, ayaw yung pumili sa support, then go for the breakout right here. Pag nag-breakout yan, saka pasukin nyo naman. Mon Rodillas is asking about SEB. Cebu Pacific pulling back right now. So, anytime soon, mukhang dito at around 50, it should bounce, right? Andyan yung previous resistances Actually, meron tayong mga previous resistances dito. Pero hindi pa naman nagbabounce. So, next bounce si Seb, you can test it out. Definitely. Ang problema ko kay Seb, may okay pa rin naman. Overall. Right? Andyan pa yung susunod na support niya. I mean, the resistance niya. Pwede pa yung umakyat. Evening, sir. Watching from Dubai, from Meme Perez. Good evening po sa inyo. Alright, StocksEd. I just want to share this one to you guys. StocksEd.com. Punta kayo sa StocksEd.com. Right? We have free courses for you, right? Start your free course right here if newbie pa lang sa stock market. Yung free course namin dyan, sobrang ganda. It's gonna be a very good foundation for your knowledge, for your start in stock market and in trading. We already have around 20,000 students who took the class. Ang ganda po ng review. Take this. This is for free. Right? For free lang po yan. If ever, meron kami mga paid courses dyan. If you wanna take it and up your knowledge, use this code right here, El Bazaar. Right? So that you can get a discount right there. Sige, pwede pa naman. Meron pa naman questions na humahabol. Kala ko wala na So, Mark Gil Orozca, Sir Lloyd, pwede ba pasilip si Crown and Double Dragon? Crown Asia. Alright, Crown Asia. Oy, galing man support right here for Crown Asia. I think it's looking well already. This is a buy for me, but strict for trade si Crown Asia for me. So, strictly for trading, cut loss below that support. If ever mag-fail man. DD, Double Dragon, I would say that's a buy right there for me, si Double Dragon. Pandemic levels already for Double Dragon at 12 pesos. And then, just cut loss below that. Should you really, should you want your funds to be, should you wanna, what do you call this? Manage your risk. Cut loss lang below that support. That's for Double Dragon. BRN. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. This is from Jeric Lamasnero. Magda-down na ba si Ever? I think so. Sobrang taas na kasi ni Ever. But umakyat pa rin siya ngayon. But wala pong forever. Kahit ever yan. Ang pangalan na yan. BRN. It's gonna be very hard to say, man. We're seeing lower highs right there and resistances right here. Breakout would be a good entry for this. If you know how to trade MA20, then you can trade MA20 entry right there. Para kay BRN. Mas maganda, I would strongly recommend breakout na lang. Si Ever, tingnan natin ha. Sobrang taas na kasi ni Ever. Look at that levels right there for RSI. Sobrang taas na. So we'll want to wait for RSI to go at the very least sa middle na naman. So that that's the momentum resting. That's the overreaction resting. And then it can start again if ever mag-uptrend man ito. So I really wanted to pull back, man. There's no option. There's no entry for us right there for Ever Gutesco. So konti ingat lang for the trades. Alright, so Monde please from Alkin Lopez. Let's check out Monde. Okay naman yung takbo ni Monde the past few days. But it's doing a pullback right now. Wala pa tayong technical analysis talaga for Monde. But it's on a good rally. So maybe we can use Fibonacci right here. Fibonacci retracements, the bottom to the top. Yan. So the bounce should be at around 13.97. Or 13.72. Saka natin tignan. If may bounce dyan, saka natin pasukin. That's for Monday. Okay? Alright. Let me go back to Facebook if meron pa ba. Alright. So, I guess that's it for us. For me this evening. And it's weekend naman bukas so no rush really. Once again, eToro, if you don't have an eToro account yet, andyan po sa video description. If you want to create an eToro account, please use that link and then you can copy trade me sa eToro if ever nahihirapan pa talaga kayo mag-trade. If ever gusto nyo po na mas mabilisan, let's go to Forex. Meron tayong bot trading there na automated trading. Yung trend follower po natin. Yung Valkyrie, which everyone was asking for it. It's a more long-term bot, more of set and forget na bot type. Next week, maglalabas po ako ng details sa Financial Freedom 101. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you once again next week. Enjoy your weekend. Once again, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.